Hey everybody, it's me, Samantha. Welcome back to my channel. This is going to be an unboxing video, and this is a diamond painting. This is by Dreamer Designs, and I haven't gotten any diamond paintings from them before, so this is my first one that I bought from them. And I've heard really good things about their paintings and really good quality. As you can see, it's really long, so I'm going to try and do this. I still have my Diamond Art Club ones I want to do. I just need a bigger tripod. I think that's all that it is, and I need a bigger table. Then I can do it for you guys. But my desk is really small, and my tripod's really small. So that's why I have not done these yet. And I have a couple of them that I want to do. I'm very excited because these are like, I feel like grown-up diamond paintings. And yeah, so I hope you guys are all doing well. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Samantha, and we do all sorts of crafty things here. This is the picture. Ooh. It's a picture of Greece, and of course I had to get it because I'm Greek. And it just really looked really pretty. Okay. Okay, so it has this really pretty bag. I think that's all that's in here. I don't know. I'm new. That's my go-to for everything. I don't know. I'm new. I like the bag. Oh, it has this really pretty purple wrapping, which I really like. Don't mind me making messes. Let's see. This is the Aegean Sea, is what this one's called. I'm just gonna move this here. Oh my gosh. That is so pretty. Ow. Look at that. And here's all the drills. Wow. Okay. So that's the picture that I got. It's definitely, I'm definitely gonna need to flatten it out here. Let's pull this kit out. My desk is so tiny. It's not made for these big diamond paintings. I don't know what I was thinking, but I wanted to buy it, so I don't know where I'm going to put these or what I'm going to do with them when I'm done with them. Ooh, purple. Okay, so we have the 2 wax pots, a spacer, and 2 drill pins, and the things. So yeah, that's what it comes in. So these are square drills. This one in particular is. Oh, and of course I spilled all everywhere. Good job, Sam. Don't mind me, this is my first diamond unboxing video. So, this is just a mess. I can already tell. Okay, so I'm going to put these back away. And I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like. I like these kind of landscape paintings. I'm personally more of a fan of landscapes than I am of like fantasy, but with Diamond Art Club, there's been a couple that I really like that are very fantasy oriented. So it just kind of depends on the painting. But I think this is closer to more my size and style of what I like to diamond paint. I do have the huge gray wolf painting from Diamond Art Club that I'm going to be unboxing for you guys sometime. Oh my gosh, I don't even know if I want to take these out yet, but look at how pretty those colors are. I don't think I'm going to take these out because I don't want to lose them. And then we have the second set. I'm used to more of the round drills than the square drills, so this will be a new thing for me. Look at all the blues. They're so pretty. I love diamond painting. I didn't think I would love diamond painting. It's really funny. I'm very new to diamond painting. I've only been doing it for a few months, so this is all very new to me. And I'm learning as I go, but I really like it. And I get complimented on my paintings when they're done. I usually, the ones that I do finish, I give them away to family and friends. So this one, I'm not sure what I'm going to do. Maybe I'll probably just hang this up, but look at the long colorless. It starts all the way up here and it goes all the way down. Oh my goodness. Don't mind my messy desk area. But this one will be a lot of fun to do, I think. I mean, this is the size of my desk. It's not very big. This already takes up the whole space. So I'm going to have to do this one in the living room probably. But I'm very excited. And it looks prettier the further away I look at it. I'm the only one in my family that's never been to Greece, unfortunately. I had ankle surgery. My ankle broke when they went last time, which was 2021. No, 2019. Yeah, 2019, because my nephew was born in 2020. So it's been kind of a sore spot for me because I really wanted to go. And I haven't been able to go yet. So this diamond painting will be fun to do. The quality of the painting is gorgeous. It's not pixelated at all. So you can see just how clear it is and how pretty it's going to be when it's done. I can't wait to see this when it's all done. But yeah, this is my diamond painting of the Aegean Sea from Dreamer Designs. I wanted to try a couple different diamond painting clubs because I just wanted to see which one I prefer. And I know this one's going to take me a really long time to do, so. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. It was kind of a hot mess, but that's just what we do here sometimes. And yeah, have a great week, or whenever it is you're watching this. Please like and subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.